Hello, my dear guest. Today, let's talk about features that was added in JavaScript 2019. I will be talking about new functions in array flat and flatMap, new functions for string trimEnd and TrimStart, also optional cache binding, new function from entries in object, and symbol description. So let's start with the simplest one, and it's flat. Imagine you're having an array that has inner array in it. So it's 1, 2, and inner array has also inner array. And inner array has one more. So we have like array in array. And what you want to achieve is to have array just flat 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can achieve this with a flat function. So let's say const new array, and we will flat this array. Let's see the result. As you can see, it flattens only one, but we need like 4 times. So we can pass 4 here in flat, and now it's what we want, 1, 2, 3, 4. But also there is a hack. If you don't know how many inner it will be, you can pass infinity. And it's the same result. There will be some moments. Let's talk about flatMap. When you have an array and it has inner array with 1 and inner array with 2. And what you want to achieve is to have array with 2 and 4. So you want to multiply these numbers by 2. So you can achieve this with flatMap. So let me show you const flatMap equals to array flatMap, and you will have a value, and here you just need to multiply by 2. So what does it flatMap do? First, it will flatten the array, so you will have 1 and 2. And then it will map the array and it will multiply it by 2. So you will have 2 and 4. Let's check. Flatmap. And the result is 2 and 4. Also, you can change now strings. So imagine you have a problem. You have a string that will be like empty space, pizza, empty space. And you don't like this empty space. So what you can do, but you want to trim only, for example, let's start with a first one. With a start, you want to get rid of this empty space. So you can trim start. And let's see, new string. Let's log it. Yeah, you can see you don't have any white spaces before. And if you want to remove space behind, you just use trimEnd. But as you can see, you will have space in the front. So use it wisely, but mostly you will use trim because you want to get rid of all the spaces from the start and from the behind. But there will be some times when you will need it. Another what was added is optional parameter in try-catch block. So now here, if you don't need, you can remove this parameter, and this is valid JavaScript. but probably you want to use it because you can pass in the reason into the new error, so it's much better for debugging. Okay. Another one, you can see the description of the symbol. So let me show you what is this. So we have like symbol, that is symbol, and let's pass. This is a secret description. And now you have access to symbol and this description. And as you can see, this is a secret description. But mostly, you will use the symbol when you are creating libraries, so it's not for your everyday use. So yeah. But at least you know. And the last one is we now have object from entries. So previously we have object entries that if you have an object, let's say name Alex, food pizza. So look. So what object entries do, it will create an array from your object. So if we run it, as you can see, now we have an array from our object with parameters like name Alex and food pizza. So the properties are in the first array and in the second array. And now what you can do, thanks to new feature, now we can transfer it back to our object. And to do it, we will use from entries and just pass our J. And if we run it, you will get back your object. And that's it. And remember to take breaks from your work. Have a great day. Bye.